This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on and connecting to Wi-Fi. This speeds updates and restores. Once done, insert the SIM and sign into your Google account so contacts, apps, and settings sync. Make sure Backup and Find My Device are enabled to prevent data loss. Next, set a PIN and enroll fingerprint and face unlock for quick access. These protect your wallet and apps while keeping daily unlocking fast. Now proceed to personalization and app restoration. You'll migrate data using Quick Switch or Google Cloud Backup. Connect both devices and follow on-screen prompts to transfer messages, photos, and apps. This preserves layout and settings. Once transferred, tweak the display. Enable 120 Hz refresh for smoothness, set adaptive brightness, and pick a natural or vivid color profile for readability. Then manage notifications and app permissions so only necessary apps run in background. Finally, review privacy dash. You finish by enabling Google Wallet, adding payment cards, and filling emergency info. This readies the phone for daily use. Next, optimize battery life with adaptive battery, limit background apps, use dark theme, and check battery saver presets for longer runtime. Make sure system updates are installed and test calls, camera, and Wi-Fi. If something goes wrong, reboot first. If persistent, clear the app cache or safe boot. As a last resort, roll back a recent update or factory reset after backing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.